After studying the boundary conditions for these conductors, we can infer one important property for the perfect conductors. We can conclude about one property for these conductors. You already know the few properties of the conductors till now. We have seen that under the static conditions, electric field inside the conductor is always zero. No field can be present within the conductor. We have also seen that under these static conditions, all the charge within the conductor resides on the surface and the volume charge density becomes zero. So we have already come across with these properties. And now we can say that if electric field is present outside the conductor, see, inside the conductor electric field is always zero. There is no question of field within the conductor. But if electric field is present outside the conductor, then that external field must be normal or perpendicular to the surface of that conductor. Again I am repeating. The external electric field of the conductor is always normal or perpendicular to the surface of that conductor. See, we have just seen the boundary conditions. What did we get? The tangential component of the field outside the conductor, we got zero. Tangential component, we got zero. Only we got the normal components. Yes or no? We got E to T or D to T equal to 0. We only got D to N or E to N. That means, what can I say? If field is present outside the conductor, then the tangential component of that field near the surface of the conductor must be 0. Near the surface of the conductor, that external field must have a normal component. That means I can say that the external field of the conductor, if external electric field is present, then that field must be normal or perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. For example, let us say an electric field is present over here. Let us assume that this is any medium, dielectric or free space, and electric field is present in this medium with the field lines, as you can see from the figure. And now we put one sphere made of the conductor into this electric field. We put one sphere made of the conductor. So first thing, electric field within that sphere will become 0. Then if any charge is present within that sphere, it will come to its surface. And now, as we have learned from the boundary conditions, electric field near the conductor dielectric interface, electric field near the interface of these two media, conductor and dielectric media, that electric field will become normal or perpendicular. Yes or no? The field lines near the conductor dielectric interface, they will adjust themselves to become normal to the conducting surface, as you can see from your figure. Or let us assume a charged conducting sphere, and let us assume that surrounding medium is any dielectric or free space. We are considering a charged conducting sphere. Now my dear, first thing first, all of the charge will come to the surface, internal electric field becomes 0. And now you know that any charge produces electric field. So this charged conducting sphere will also produce electric field in the surrounding medium. That electric field must be external. That electric field must be in the surrounding dielectric or surrounding free space, because electric field inside the conductor, you know, it is 0. So this conducting sphere will produce an external electric field in the surrounding medium, in the surrounding dielectric medium. And now, as we have learned from the boundary condition, this electric field near the conductor dielectric interface must be perpendicular, must be normal. That means these field lines, you cannot show these field lines like this, or like this, or like this. No, you cannot show the field line like this. The field lines, the electric field near the conductor dielectric interface must be normal or perpendicular. So the field originating from this sphere, if this is positively charged, field will originate from that charge. So the field originating from this sphere has to be like this. Field lines normal or perpendicular to the surface of the sphere.